Hey J fam, this morning at 4 a.m. I turned in my last college assignment. I am done with college. I have my business degree and my rec minor, and now to celebrate, I am going climbing on 4 hours of sleep, and I'm a little crazy because I haven't slept, but you know what? I'm here and I'm happy, and we're just gonna do the thing. I've got my coffee, I've got my breakfast to eat on the road, my little spork. I'm ready to go, fam, I'm ready to go.
So divine is the feeling that I find, like a sweet mountain breeze and a fragment of my mind. I said, darling, you are all I want for sure.
This guy is finally turning off. We have a lot. What the heck are you doing, dude? What are you doing? He has been going like 20 miles per hour on a 40 mile per hour road that really can be taken at about 50 comfortably. I found him!
Score! It's an aspen! You can tell it's an aspen because of the way it is.
I am sitting at this bar trying to forget all the fun we used to have.
Now jump. This one's really fun to jump really hard on. Do it. Yeah. Whoa. Right off real quick.
You can press the red button on there, Erica.
That's good.
And feel your blue skies there, so deep beneath.
Right here, it just looks like you're like chilling against the tree. The sleepiness is hitting, so I'm gonna take a nap right here while Bethany and Erica climb. Hey y'all!
I got you, fam. Alright.
Well, honey, I can tell those camera skills are really just coming along. Go away.
Did you just take a lighter and just light it?
Yeah, you just turn on a little bit and then take a
Amazing.
lighter and it
Oh
lights
my gosh,
up.
I want to get one. I'm getting it.
Hang around town pretty late. I spent the week thinking about her next day. It was easier than so much easier.
Oh no, because it's not going.
So much easier.
What you doing, Beth?
I'm trying to light this gumball on fire.
Take me back to those easy summer days when we stopped at nothing, babe. Yeah, we stopped at.
No, it's not working.
Okay.
Also, I'm really sad.
Oh.
I want the horse.
You wish the horses were friends with you instead of friends with these people?
Yes.
Oh. Beth, do you want to show them your special tent?
Yes, I will, actually. This is my tent. Her name is Herschel.
Wow. Oh, the light flickers. It's a party in here.
Did I leave the light on?
So I'm trying out a new BioLite stove today, and we're gonna open this up, put some sticks in it, and that's what fuels it. And then apparently you can also charge your phone off of here, which I think is pretty awesome. And then you can turn this on and off, I guess, based off of.
Yeah, look, see that thing inside? It must like take energy from the fire, that like copper thing.
Oh, and that heats up and that fuels that.
So.
Ooh la la. Oh.
Oh my god.
I like missed half of these going in. It's okay, we'll just have some twig with our pepper.
Twigs in our pepper. I know when that starts to turn on. What kind of seasoning is that?
Seasoned salt.
I'm allergic.
Looks like it's going out. Oh, when I blew in it, it went. I love fire.
Do you think it's just smoking because the kindling is wet?
Oh.
Maybe. That might be why.
Bethany, how's your stove going?
Pretty good.
Pretty good, pretty good. That's the stove the J fams used to see.
Go burning? Go burning.
We've currently got 3 stoves going. We've got Erica's little backpacking stove. Tell them its name.
Name is Arnold.
Arnold the backpacking stove.
Happy stove.
Then we have this stove going, the Coleman.
We have the Big Daddy.
The Big Daddy BioLite stove.
We're getting there.
That's a good sign.
I mean, it's lighting up with fire. That's pretty cool. Here comes Billy.
Oh, hey Billy.
Jessa, he has big horns.
He does have big horns.
Okay.
He's a horny goat.
He's very horny. Look at him. Oh, no.
Oh.
Oh no.
Hi Billy. How's it going, Billy?
Okay.
What's up, dude? Oh gosh. No one feed him anything.
He's gonna get your apple.
Oh, here, you can just,
There we go.
Thank you, buddy.
What'd you do?
Just walk towards him a little bit.
Walked closer to him.
I know all about your troubles. Wanna drown into your eyes and feel your
What you doing, bud?
blue sky within. So deep in you, I'm blinded by your bittersweet shine. Get what you need, I'll make you feel free.
sir.
Mine tonight and feel your blue sky within. All the trips we had, our adventures, all the waterfalls and
I'm out.
Get out of here.
Already. I had Joker. I was done with tell Joker. Sorry.
The Mandela effect is basically when big groups of people remember a certain thing one way, but it is actually the other way. So like basically the theory is that somebody traveled back to the past and changed it in the past. So now it's like in the future, everybody remembers it a certain way, but it's not that way. Like,
What's a good example?
okay, I have a lot of examples. So do you know the PBS Kids show?
Berenstain Bears?
Yes, say that again.
Berenstain Bears?
You say it.
Bernstein Bears.
Okay, so both of you said Berenstein though. It's Berenstein.
The Berenstain Bears. The Berenstain Bears.
But everyone says Steen. Okay, Cheez-Its on the box, does it have a Z at the end or not? It's just
I don't remember ever
Cheez-It.
seeing it.
No way.
But everyone thinks that's Z.
I just thought maybe there was an S.
No.
It's just Cheez-It. Yep, that is so weird.
Okay, I have more examples. Kit Kat, is there slash in between kit and cat?
Yes?
Yes.
No, there's not.
What? Oh,
There's
I
not.
have one. The Monopoly dude.
Yeah, the Monopoly dude.
Does he have a little eye thing? What is it called?
like a mono glasses thing. I don't know what it's called.
No, I think that's Einstein Brother Bagels.
Oh yeah.
Gosh, maybe that's why people remember it. But yeah, it doesn't. But I remember us having it. I don't know, it's crazy. Like, it's just weird.
I almost just stepped on this little guy. The cutest little thing ever. Oh, hey bud. Sorry, I almost stepped on you. Alright y'all, it's time for bed. You all know that I didn't get much sleep last night, so I'm very, very excited to close my eyes tonight. No. I literally feel like I just blinked and now it's morning. Why? Can you guess what we're having for breakfast? It's the same thing I always have for breakfast.
We'll take it back and forth.
Ah, fancy. We hiked up to the crag again this morning. Bethany is all the way up there. But if you look over here, these horses are just living their best lives. Just chilling in the enchanted forest of wonders. Hi, bud. Wanna say hi? I don't have any food for you. I'm sorry. Hi. You're a total sweetheart. Hi. Look at you. You are beautiful. Eat some munchies. Can I pet you, bud? Hi. And this is why this crag will forever be my favorite. It's because you get rock climbs and you get horses. They're so cute!
So far away. Come on, you got it.
So me falling on the moves at the beginning of that 512 was the last thing I filmed today because I just started having like a downward spiral after that route of just being like, wow, I suck, I can't climb anything, which is ridiculous because 512A is at the very top of what I can do. That is the hardest route I have ever gotten on in my entire life, and just because I couldn't pull the first few moves, I got really down on myself. So I took a break from the camera for a little bit. I set the camera down. I just took some time to just be in nature in the beautiful trees of Arkansas. But this is just a reminder to anyone watching today, if you're being hard on yourself for a not good reason, stop. It's not doing anything to help you except making you sad. Stop doing it and be nice to yourself, okay? I love you all. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video and this is one of the first ones you're watching. I will see you in the next time I upload. I don't know when that'll be, but probably soon. All right, bye.